Gently disperse cells to homogenize the solution. Before seeding, determine the cell density by performing a cell count. Shake the flasks or plates in a cross-like pattern, north-south and east-west motion, to evenly distribute the cells. Do not apply this shaking mode to 96 well plates. Then pipette the solution into flasks or plates. Make sure to shake frequently and regularly the cell suspension. Do not forget to tightly cap when you transport the flasks out of the incubator. Gently place the flasks and plates in the incubator. If the flask caps are not vented, cap loosely to allow gas exchange. Do not move flasks and plates during at least the next 4 hours to let cells adhere. Let other incubator users know that cells are lately seeded to avoid moving your plates and flasks.